It's snow today. First snow of the season. After cleaning the snow, empty road, cold air, I took the Hummer out. No traffic, just me, the engine, and silence. Felt like the king of the road. After being out in the cold, you don't crave fancy food. You crave something hot, healthy, and made fast with soul. So today, I'm making a quick Afghan classic, Borani Banjan. Comfort food, but clean. Hello friends, welcome back to Rabi Abi. Today I'm making Borani Banjan, a classic Afghan eggplant dish. Simple, elegant, and deeply nourishing. High in flavor, light on the body. Perfect if you care about health and the culture. So let's make it. Pineapple. Good food. Here's what we need for 2 servings. 1 eggplant, 1 jalapeno, only if you like a little heat. Some bell pepper, 1 tomato, 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, cayenne pepper or paprika, garlic powder, tomato sauce, and puree of 2 tomatoes, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and some pineapple. That's not for the recipe. That's for me while cooking. Half teaspoon of chili flakes, black pepper, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon whole coriander seed, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 to 5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. By the way, virgin is virgin. What exactly is extra virgin? Let me know in the comments if you actually know. 1 cup fat-free Greek yogurt, keeping it clean today. First, slice the eggplant about half-inch thick. Traditionally, Borani Banjan uses deep-fried eggplant, but honestly, that soaks up way too much oil. So I am skipping the frying and still getting all the flavor with a smarter technique. Lay the slices flat, sprinkle salt on both sides, and let them set for about 30 minutes. This pulls out bitterness and improves texture. While the eggplant rests, mince the garlic. Then take whole coriander and cumin seeds and crush them in a mortar and pestle. Not powder, just coarse. That texture makes a difference. Heat a pan. Add 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil. Once warm, add the crushed coriander and cumin. Then the garlic. Saute gently, low heat, just 1 minute. Now add the tomato puree and tomato sauce. Mix well and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. While it simmers, slice the jalapenos, bell pepper, and tomato. Now the sauce is halfway there. Add turmeric powder, chili flakes, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and salt to taste. Mix well and let it simmer another 10 to 15 minutes until thick, rich, and glossy. While that cooks, let's make the yogurt sauce. Fat-free Greek yogurt, a little salt, and garlic powder. Whisk until smooth, creamy, and pourable. By now the eggplant has released enough moisture. Wipe off the sweat and pat dry with paper towel. Now let's layer and cook. Lightly oil a wide pan. First layer eggplant, then a layer of sauce. Then sliced tomatoes. Again sauce. Another layer of eggplant. More tomatoes. Now jalapenos and bell pepper on top. Finish with all remaining sauce. Cover, turn heat low and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, uncover slightly, let excess steam escape. This thickens the gravy. Once thick, cover again, turn off the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes. Let's plate it. On a white plate, spread yogurt sauce as the base. Gently place the cooked eggplant and tomatoes on top. Drizzle more yogurt sauce. Finish with green onion chives and fresh coriander. And it's ready to serve. And this is Borani Banjan. If you enjoy this, be my test guest in the next video. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, time to taste this Afghan dish. Usually it's eaten with Afghan roti. I don't have Afghan roti here, so I'll be using regular bread. Ooh, looks so good. This Borani Banjan, soft, balanced and deeply comforting. Amazing. Simple ingredients, serious flavor. This dish carries tradition and still fits in the healthy life today. Prove that healthy food doesn't need to be boring. It's super delicious and healthy. Nothing extra, just done right. I wish I had Afghan roti here. That would be amazing. But I gotta go with what I have. Still not bad. Guys, I'm done. There's still a lot more left if somebody wants. Please feel free to come and have it.